Welcome children. As I told in the previous video, I am going to teach first proof from exercise 8.4 question number 5. So if proof is given, for few questions you want to memorize, you want to register your mind that few things that should be followed. ஒரு சில விஷயம் இப்போ இந்த கொஷின்னா இப்படி தான் ஃபாலோ பண்ணணும், அடுத்த கொஷின் வேறு கொஷின் தான் அது எப்படி ஃபாலோ பண்ணணுமோ அதுதான் பண்ணணும், அப்போ தான் நமக்கு ப்ரூஃப் கிடைக்கும். ஸோ ப்ரூஃப்னு கொடுத்துருந்தாங்க அப்படின்னா கண்டிப்பாக இதுக்கும் ஏதோ ஒரு ரிலேஷன்ஷிப் இருக்கும். எய்தர் எல்ஹெச்எஸ் எடுத்துக்கிட்டு ஆர்ஹெச்எஸ் ப்ரூஃப் பண்ணலாம். மோஸ்ட்லி அதுதான் நமக்கு ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். எல்ஹெச்எஸ் எடுத்து சால்வ் பண்ணுறப்போ ஆர்ஹெச்எஸ் வரணும். ஸோ let us take LHS. We know what is LHS and RHS. LHS means right hand side and RHS means left hand side. So it is given as cosec minus cot whole square, and we want to prove it as 1 minus cos by 1 plus cos. What is the relation between cosec, cot and cos? So we have this cosec can be written as 1 by sin. How can we write cosec? Cosec is 1 by sin minus what is cot? That is number trigonometry ratios we are learning from first example. So cot is cos by sin. That's what we have learned in first video itself. First video while learning cosec and cot. Cosec is inverse of sin and cot is inverse of tan. So ratio of this you can write as cos by sin also. That only we are using here. Whole square, so whole square is there. Since both the denominator are sin, write only one time. It's like fraction, addition fraction. So 1 minus cos theta whole square. 1 minus cos theta whole square. So shall I write here? 1 minus cos theta whole square is, how can we write 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta? That is, how can we write x square, which means x into x? 1 plus x whole square is 1 plus x into 1 plus x. Similarly, 1 minus cos whole square is 1 minus cos into 1 minus cos divided by this. Actually this is sin square, sin theta and whole square is there. So we are distributing this square for both numerator and denominator, and this sin square is there. So 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by, I didn't change the numerator. Instead of sin square we have one formula, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, right? So instead of sin square, just transpose this. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So instead of this sin square we can write 1 minus cos square theta. So no change in the denominator. So numerator, denominator alone we are going to change. This is of the form a square minus b square. This can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So instead of a we have 1, instead of b we have cos. So this can be written as 1 plus cos into 1 minus cos. So both numerator and denominator multiplication is there. Numerator 1 minus cos, denominator also 1 minus cos, we can cancel. What is the remainder? Remainder is 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. That's all. We got LHS is equal to LHS. Hence proved. Like this only you want to prove. Okay. This is the proof. Like this only you want to prove. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.